Hi there, Steve at CIP, here to install Alfa Menswear's new epos system. So it's a lovely sunny day in Bournemouth today. So we're here at the store and we're just going to have a little look round and we'll show you the setup. Okay, so we have a CIP store kit. So we've got the iPad, we've got the stand, we've got the cash drawer, we've got the USB receipt printer. And that's connected to a Zettle terminal, and we also have another Zettle terminal here. So this is the Zettle Reader 2, which is connected via Bluetooth to the till system, and we also have the Zettle terminal, and we also have the scanner version as well. So the customer has just one point of sale. All their products are in there. So we've got the second Zettle terminal, so they can actually walk around the store, scan barcodes, and do inventory and stock taking without actually moving the till system from the fixed point of sale. What's great as well is that they can create their own barcodes using the standard printer. So it will squirt out a barcode. They can use the scanner to do that. They also have one of these things as well, which is a Socket S700 Bluetooth scanner, and this as well is easy to use actually at the point of sale, because they don't have to worry about moving or using the Zettle terminal for doing that. So they've got a separate one here, which basically the Zettle terminal and the CIP store kit gives them in effect two fully functional points of sale. The Zettle terminal with the barcode scanner retails for about 250 quid. So they've basically got two till systems, which is really useful for if there's any problems with the main till, they can use that as a backup. But they also have something that's mobile and remote. So when they're going around the store, adding in new stock, they can utilize that Zettle terminal. It's a really, really good solution. So the guys are frantically putting in all of their products and their stock control, so the sale price and the cost price. We've done some training, and it's a really nice store. The guys based down in Bournemouth. Sorry, a bit sweaty, it's a bit warm today. So yeah, if you're around in the Bournemouth area, pop down and see them. They've only been open a couple of days, but they've got some really nice stuff, and yeah, that's the solution.